Okay, it's arrived, my Jacklore Classic. I'm new to the bushcraft, and I thought it prudent to buy a cheaper knife to start off with. So I bought a Mora Black and haven't been using it at all. So let's give it its first job of opening the package. The knife was sent by registered post, so nice and secure, and it's just taken just short of a week to arrive in France. Now, I started looking at knives about a year ago, and unfortunately I suffer from a complaint, and that is always wanting to buy the best. And my philosophy is, if you buy good quality, it'll last you a lifetime. And after doing a lot of research, the Jacklores were coming up highly recommended by a lot of people. I've been looking on the website for a year. Couldn't place an order, but a few weeks ago Sandy had put a knife up for sale and said there might be a few more coming along, and I was lucky enough to get this beauty. Let's have a look. So we've got some instructions from Sandy on knife care. And we've got leather plus, and this is in bird's eye maple. Wow, that's lovely. Just the comparison, you can feel the weight difference in the two knives. And that is extremely sharp. Now, as I said, the Mora hasn't been used, but when I bolt it, I touched the blade and I thought, this don't feel very sharp. And just to give you an example, the Bushcraft. What a difference. That's razor sharp. Beautiful knife. Lovely workmanship. And it's for my 50th birthday. What a present to me. Thank you, Sandy. Brilliant knife. I'm looking forward to using this.